Morning class 8th student. Yesterday we have discussed the loudness of the sound, pitch of the sound, amplitude, frequency, time period. Student, today we will discuss the next characteristics of the sound wave is the speed of sound. Student, you know if the speed of the sound is different for the different in different media. Understand what I am saying? The speed of the sound is different in different media. If we talk about the speed of time in solid, the speed of sound is more in solid, less in liquid and least in gases. And student, you know the speed of the sound is also depends on the temperature of the medium. Is depend also on the temperature. If the temperature of the medium is more high temperature, so what will happen? The speed of the sound is also more. So student, the speed of sound, the speed of the wave is the measure of the how fast the disturbance travel in the medium, and the speed of the sound in air is about 330 meter per second. Sound travel fastest in the solid, then in liquid and followed by the gases. And student, factors such as temperature also we have discussed now. Temperature also, it depends on the temperature also, and also humidity also, and the direction of the wind also can affect the speed of the time. Effect of the speed of the times. So there are the factors: temperature, humidity also, and the direction of the wind also can affect the speed of the sound. So you can see the speed of the sound is different in different media, and the fastest speed of the sound in solid, less in liquid and the least in gases. So three factors है: temperature, humidity and the direction of the wind can affect the speed of the sound. And the relationships between the speed, frequency and wavelength is, so speed is equal to wavelength multiply frequency. This is the relationship between the speed, frequency and wavelength. So speed is equal to wavelength multiply frequency. So there is the speed of the different speed of the sound in different media. You can see this diagram also. Solid aluminium speed in meter per second 6420 is the highest. You can see, then steel, then iron, then brass, glass, water. It's less in air. You can see there is the some speed of the sound in different media at 25 degree Celsius. So you can note down this also. Now student, we will discuss the range of the hearing. Range of the hearing, students, human beings can hear the sound frequency between 20 Hertz to 2000 Hertz. 20 Hertz to 20 Hertz human. So here is written, you can correct this bit. You can correct this. This is the 20,000 years, a human being. And you know na, human is a very sensitive complex organ using which are able to hear the sound from environment. So student, the frequency of the sound wave is between the 20 Hertz to 20,000 Hertz. Okay, so sound whose frequency is less than, now you can note down, if sound whose frequency is less than 20 Hertz, this is called the infrasonic sound. An animal like dog, elephant, rhinoceros, whales produce, and the here they can produce also this infrasonic sound, and also can listen the infrasonic sound, can also hear these sounds: dog, elephant, rhinoceros. And if we talk about the ultrasonic sound, there are the two types of the sound: Infrasonic sound and ultrasonic sound is the frequencies more than 20,000. You can correct this, is called ultrasonic sound. This is a 20,000 hertz. You can correct this. Ultrasonic sound refers to the sound waves that have frequency more than 20,000 hertz. For example, bats produce the ultrasonic sound. Bat also, rats also, dolphin also, porpoises also produce here the ultrasonic sound. And bats use the reflection of the ultrasonic sound wave to detect and its prey. They can listen the ultrasonic sound more than 20,000 hertz. So if we talk about the ultrasound या ultrasonography, it is a medical imaging technique that is used the high frequency sound waves and their echoes to look into the human body as a non-invasive method or diagnosis. Although ultrasound travel through the soft tissue and fluid and it bounce off the denser surfaces. And ultrasound helps to diagnose problem of the internal organs of the body. Have you listened the ultrasound? So this sound also used to find out the any diagnosis problem in the internal organ of the body. So range of the hearing is 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. So there are the two types of the sound, student: infrasonic sound and the ultrasonic sound. So I hope you understand. You correct this. This is a 20,000 hertz, not 2,000 hertz. So there are the many uses of the ultrasonic sound. Clean object like electronic components and detects the cracks in metal block also. And it is if we talk about the first, the ultrasonic sound is used to clean the object like electronic components, and ultrasonic sound is used to detect the crack if there any cracks in metals. So ultrasonic sound is used, and this ultrasonic waves are sent through the metal block. If there are cracks, the waves are reflected back and the cracks can be detected if there is any crack in metal. So what will we do? The ultrasonic sound can detect this crack and the crack can be detected. And also this ultrasonic sound is used to ultrasound scanner for the getting images of the internal organs of the human body. So ultrasonic sound is used to break small stone formed in the kidney. Have you listened the kidney stone? So how can the doctor find out this kidney stone? With the help of this ultrasonic sound. And so ultrasonic sound is used to break small stone formed in the kidney into the fine grains so that they are removed through the urines. So these are the many uses. There are the many uses of the ultrasonic sound. So you can note down. And clean the object like the electronic components, detect the cracks in metal block, and ultrasound scanner for the internal organs of the human body, and find out break the small stone formed in the kidney into the fine grains, and so they are removed through the urine. This is a many uses. Okay, so I hope you understand, student. So we have discussed so many things today: frequency of the sound waves, time period, amplitude, pitch. So you should read this also, uses of the ultrasonic sound and range of the hearing. You can see this diagram also. So okay students, bye, take care.